What's up, guys? All right, so I want to break down this Dow US30 trade that I took this morning. Posted in my Discord as well. For starters, I did not catch the entire move. I only caught 160 pips. But besides that, another thing too, I didn't catch the entire move. Like, I did not catch the whole thing. But I'm going to break that down in a quick second. Now, looking at this, I am a breakout trader, so I utilize the lower time frame for entries. And when it comes to it, I just more so read candlestick analysis, right? Why? Because at the end of the day, the candles is going to paint its own picture and it's going to let you know exactly what's going to happen. Right. So if we focus on candlestick analysis, that will help us to identify the actual structure or support resistance when it comes to the markets. So looking at this right here, obviously before this started become bullish, we did have what I thought was going to start being a harami based on the fact that we are at that resistance. So what I did this morning, I just dropped down to the lower time frame and I'm going to replay it for you guys. All right, I dropped down to the lower time frame and I was looking at this movement over here. So overall, what we did last night was we came back down and we literally just came and retested this area, right? That right there was very significant for us. Why? Because if we look at structure, right, price literally held right here, broke out of it, held right there a little bit some more, and now we just look like it was a break and retest. All right, so we're gonna drop down to the lower time frame and see what I saw. So based off of this, right now, hold on, I gotta go replay again. It was right before opening. Right. So based off of this, my markups are already on my chart, right? I have my higher time frame support, have my higher time frame resistance, and what I'm looking to see is where price is going to go to. Now, with that, we obviously that price is comes to higher time frame support. It actually did. Now, I was looking for a price to come and retest right here where it says 232 for me, which is this candle from 12:15 a.m. The reason why I was looking for this is because overall, at the end of the day, like the market is going to retest previous level support resistance or previous controlling candles, right? If we go to it, price literally came up, came back down. This is a candle that showed us that, yeah, we're done with this back and forth bullshit. We're going to push down, which initially got us to our support. Now, with that being said, this right here at 7:30 was a very important candle. Why? Because again, we are at a high time frame support. A lot of consolidation from 1:30 a.m. all the way to 7:15. You guys can see that holding. This candle right here was what helped us push price out. So what I did, I dropped down to a lower time frame and I was looking for just that. Right. So we go to the lower time frame. I'm looking at all right, overall, this has to break out for me to go into it. Now, based off of that one, excuse me, based off of that, I'm looking at this area that I had pointed up. Now, this market's already here because when I was done with this trade, I jumped into my Discord and we did some live trading sessions after. So looking at this, right now, based off this, I'm looking for an aggressive buy or an aggressive sell. One of these two have to come into play. So what happened was this, right? Price came at 904, and then all we did, we just pretty much played around this area. You guys can see exactly where we're currently at, right? So we look over here, right? Look left to see we're going right. A lot of rejection area, and what if price do in the future, which is the present, a lot of rejection area. So more so, we're either going to do a huge break out of that or a huge break to the upside to show that price is going up. So now coming into this, it was literally this candle right here at 928 to show me that, yeah, more likely price going out. Why? Because if we back it up that way, we see the liquidity that's being pushed into it, right? We push it up right here, right? This right here is 926. All right, I don't have a continuation for the downside nor the upside. We're just sitting on that support. Next one comes up. All right, this right here is a rejection. However, we're still sitting on that support. The way that candle closed, we're sitting on the support. I just need another push up. And then literally, it was this candle that showed me that's a good liquidity we have. More likely, we'll keep going up. And then for me, once we broke out this one, it's pretty much set in stone. Next one comes up right here, which is 929. Even that, showing a rejection from that area that price wants to go up. And then from there, literally, this had happened. Right now, overall, though, again, as I said to you guys, this was, well, I mean, at the end of the day, we know it's premature. Why? Because this was only it was 161 pips. However, at the end of the day, it was a little more than that. But however, at the end of the day, why we know that the price kept going up. So that is something that I'm actually still working on when it comes to having overall movement of price. Because again, even with the Dow, the Dow can move 300 pips, 400 pips. But we go from this move, right? This right here is from 9:30 all the way to 12:36, like literally about 3 hours, right? That's a total of 501 pips. So overall, it was a great day, right? 160 pips is not a bad day. However, looking at it like that's what you want to do to help your performance out, which is like, all right, this is my take profit. What can I have done to maybe stay in the trade longer and so forth? But yeah, I want to break that trade down for you guys because that trade was literally 3 minutes of movement that happened, of literally 3 minutes of work. And then from there, I was really just done for the day. As I said, I just jumped in my Discord where we do live trading sessions damn near every single day. If you guys are interested, the link is in the description below. We break down when it comes to not just the Dow, because that's what I normally only trade. We break down commodities, crypto, forex pairs, other indices as well. So again, if you guys are looking to perform in that, get held accountable, definitely want to click the link in my bio and join us for that. All right, guys, till next time, peace out.